Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Picsart apps on your phone. So here I've already opened the Picsart apps, and this of when you open the Picsart app, you'll be in this explore or discover page where you can see other photo editings by the Picsart users, and you can also try or apply the editing to your photos. So if you want to do that, you can just tap on a try in here. But if you find this icon, this crown icon, that means that the editing use the pro features on the process. So if you want to use or recreate this one, you need to join or subscribe to the Picsart Pro first. And in here on the second page, there will be this spaces page where you can join like a society or a group of editings. In here you can choose which one to join, and if you see in here, there is this like this page right here where you can challenge yourself with some trivia in here, challenges from Picsart. And if you want to go to your profile, you can click on this people icon. You can see your usernames. You can also edit your profiles in here. And if you want to create on Picsart, you can just click on the plus icon. Here you can edit photos, video. You can also create a drawing and a color. You can also use templates from Picsart. And in Picsart, there are also AI tools, AI avatar, AI replace, text to image, and other AI tools. And if you want to create something with background, you can use the trending background in here. You can just tap on one of the background and just add your photos or do some editing. You can also easily remove a background from a photo using this remove background feature. But there are some features that you can select it to remove background. There are smart background, transparent, minimal, marble, and others. Here there are also smart background. You can also create avatar in Picsart and replace, which is the one that I told you before. So here I'm going to start. For example, I'm going to use a background in here. Tap on the background that you want to use, and then here you can do some editing. You can also add photo to edit in here. For example, I'm going to edit this photos right here. You can click on add at the top, and here you can do some editings like remove background, flip and rotate, add some effects like this to your photos. If click on the check icon at the top, if you want to choose other feature, for example, you want to add the frame in here to your photos, just tap on the frame and it will be added to your photos just like this. And if you are done with your editing, you can click on the check icon at the top and click on the arrow down, and the photo will be saved to your gallery. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.